Hey everyone, welcome back to MJF Interior Design Studio. Today I'm going to show you how we transform this 21 square meter unit into a modern industrial design. Let's go. Welcome to the unit. So upon entry, the first area that you will see is our kitchen. So for the kitchen, what we did here is we completely remodeled everything. We have to take out the old cabinets and the countertop because it's quite old and our client wanted a very new and refreshing vibe sa kanyang kusina. So here, let's start with the countertop. This one is quartz, same with our backsplash. The purpose of this one is to create that very nice, clean and seamless look sa ating kitchen. Same with our cabinetries. All of the materials that we used here are marine plywood, which is laminated para mas maging malinis nga siya tignan. Also, we added this LED strip lights at the back for additional lighting when they use our counter, when they cook, or when they wash the dishes. Also, we have this very nice track lights for ambient lighting. Now, let's proceed. On this side, we added this ref cabinet to enclose all of their appliances like the ref, the microwave, and their oven toaster. So lahat yan may designated places just so their appliances are not all over the place. After the kitchen, let's proceed to their dining area. And so as I've said before, this unit is just 21 square meters. So we did everything we can to maximize the space and provide them with the essential areas that they will be needing. So here, we have this two-seater dining table with floating shelves for their decors, or if they wanted to add other items here, they may do so. Also, we added this LED strip lights underneath for extra lighting because sometimes they might want to work here or eat, and so they have this very nice ambient lighting. So for our walls, to add texture and depth, we added this wallpaper. This is a special wallpaper that we imported from the US. So we have this installed para mas may dating yung ating plain walls. Alright, so after our dining space, let's go to our very compact living room. So before, dito sa unit, wala silang formal living area where they can lounge and relax to watch the TV. So this is one of the most requested areas ng ating clients. So what we did here is we added this very nice one to two seater sofa bed, this one. And then over here is our textured art wall. So here, just like doon sa wall natin sa dining area, we also added this wallpaper to give more depth dito sa ating plain walls. And also, we added this very nice sculptures, hanging sculptures. And they look like they're climbing up the walls. So here, behind me is our TV area. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-request ng ating kliyente. So, we gave her this 43 inches smart Google TV. And then, for accents also, we don't want any boring walls here in this unit. So, what we did here is we added some fluted panels. These are WPC fluted panels. These are very easy to maintain. And also, we added this mesh accent dito sa ating walls. So, this mesh panel is also usable kapag, for example, we have extra frames or extra decors that our client wanted to use. Pwede niyang ihang dito. So, it saves her time to put screws sa wall. Pwede niyang ihang dito lang sa loob ng mesh natin. And then, over here, we just added this cute shelves para may area siya for decors or books that they have. And our console table. So, our TV console is floating to save the floor space para may footrest pa yung ating users. So, this one has covering Kunyari, may mga extra magazine sila na pwedeng ilagay. Yan, dyan natin siya ilalagay. And then, here is where our remote goes. And this area is intended for their PSPs. Kung may Nintendo sila, Xbox, yan, pwede na lang ilagay dito sa loob. And also for our flooring, we changed our flooring into SPC planks. Okay, so yung existing floors kasi nito is vinyl and medyo reddish yung kanyang kulay. So to match some of our installations, we changed our flooring into SPC floors. And then we just added this very nice low pile woven rug for texture. So that's it for our living room. Next, we will proceed to the master's bedroom. Welcome to our master's bedroom. Okay, so our bedroom can cater 2 guests. Dito sa ating bed, they can lie and rest here comfortably. So here for our bed, yung bed natin has storages at the back. And this one has this opening so that they can put their phones when they wanted to sleep here, or speakers, or whatever they like, their glasses, pwede na lang i-rest here. So dito naman sa likod, this one is an opening. May mga shelves inside for storage. Okay, so also underneath the bed is our drawers. Yan. So may mga drawers yan underneath here and over there for extra storage ng ating client. Okay, so over on this side, here we extended our wallpaper to create that illusion that the space is actually bigger than it really is. Para siyang continuation ng ating living area. So, meron din tayong wallpaper here and this beautiful industrial artwork. And then for accent, we just added this fluted panels. And so, to give that wood accent pa din, even here sa ating bedroom, just like doon sa ating living area. So, we just added this pendant lamp here. And then, our side table para ilagay nila yung mga books nila after reading and their whatnots. Then, over here, let's go to this area. This wall is painted with lime wash. And so, as you can see, it has this very rustic or very concrete type look dito sa ating mga pader. So, that is because of the lime wash paint that we used. So, here naman, we gave them this very small, not so small, but it's a decent space for their study or vanity area. So, we also added this upholstered chair for comfortable seating and outlets underneath. So, this one is a floating table with floating shelves and LED lighting. So we also added this full mirror to serve as their vanity area and also to reflect this space. So parang mukha siyang mas malaki. So if you guys are watching and following us, as you can always see, lagi kaming gumagamit ng salamin to create the illusion that the space is actually bigger than it really is. So here is our wardrobe. This is a very nice wardrobe kasi laminated din siya. Very clean yung kanyang finish. And this one can adequately house the items of our 2 future guests dito sa ating unit. So, if you guys are curious, over here on this side is a magical door going to our balcony, which I will lead you right now. Let's go. Welcome to our balcony. So, as you guys can see, it's quite compact than the regular balconies that you always see in other condos. But this one, we were able to put a 2-seater coffee table for their lounge. Ayan. So, pwede silang mag-breakfast dito, mag-coffee. And then, if you guys are worried about this one, don't worry because I can still fit here. For reference, I'm 5'2". And I'm wearing heels. So, I'm 5'2", 5'4" right now. And, baka yung height niya. So, over on this side, we have our floor deckings. Dito sa ating sahig. We have floor deckings and pebbles. And also, since our client wanted to give a very zen vibe here dito sa ating balcony, we added some faux plants over on this side for easy maintenance kasi mahirap pag-maintain ng halaman. So, fake plants. So, that's it for our balcony. Then now, let's go to the bathroom. The last part of our condo tour is our bathroom. So, come, let's go. Take a look. Welcome to our bathroom. So, our bathroom before, medyo maliit siya tingnan. It looks very cramped. And also, yung old tiling niya is reddish brown. So, the client wanted to match the vibe of our design outside. So, what we did here is we added this very nice gray tiles. And we made sure that everything will be floor to ceiling to ensure and to make that illusion that our ceiling is quite higher than it really is. So, let's start with this area. This is their wash basin. We changed it also dun sa old ones nila with black faucet. Yan. So, they can use this to wash their face, do skincare, brush their teeth. Yan. And we also provided them with this LED mirror, which they can just tap and open. Okay, so here, meron tayong towel rack para dun sa mga extra towels nila kapag may mga guests sila. And floating shelves for decors and to place their reed diffuser to keep our bathroom fresh and smelling great. As you can see, all of our hardwares are black. And so, pinalitan natin silang lahat to match the vibe of our overall design. So, going to our shower area, before wala tong shower enclosure. So, to ensure that no water will be coming out whenever they use the shower, we added this tempered glass shower enclosure. It's frameless para maganda siya tignan. And then inside, you can see our shower head, our heater, and our shower caddy. So, everything will be inside. Kapag maliligo ka, you can just open the heater. You can put your shampoo, conditioner, your soap there. And then, you have a nearby towel rack here as well para hindi ka na mahirapang mag-abot dito. Ayan. So, over here pala, we also added this storage cabinet sa ilalim para meron silang lalagyan ng mga cleaning materials nila. And it's also equipped with soft close hinges. So, I guess that's it for our bathroom renovation. Let's proceed to the next area. I guess that wraps up our condo tour for this 21 square meter unit here in Makati. So I hope you guys like this video as much as we do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you can get more design inspirations just like this one. So this has been IDR Myrene Fernales for MJF Interior Design Studio.